melakukan sesi foto bersama. Izin untuk dapat bersama-sama berdiri karena kita akan melakukan sesi foto. Dan akta notarial serta membubuhkan cap jabatan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang kami notarial
groundbreaking, but for the inauguration project. And then
I'm very confident in the vision that I can represent.
We will start our construction by end of the year. We are very committed and honored to build the first mixed-use development in Nusantara. We are very excited about the project, and we look forward to more projects to build together Nusantara with the iconic.